we've got another cat question. Molly, my older cat, is 15. Why is she getting so thin? She eats well, she's happy in herself, and she's active. Well, this is very definitely a question for your vet. Anytime your cat loses or gains weight unexpectedly, you need to seek veterinary advice. The dietary needs of cats change as they get older, so your vet may suggest changes to your cat's diet, but there are also certain diseases and medical conditions that would cause her to lose weight. So a visit to your vet for a checkup is the most important first step.